Before we start, I want to show you a channel that completely blew my mind. I recently came across this channel, and honestly, I couldn't believe what I was seeing. The views are massive, the character designs are amazing, and the animation quality is absolutely incredible. Every video looks like it was produced by a professional animation studio. But here's the most exciting part: this channel is fully monetized and earning thousands of dollars every single month. That's what caught my attention the most. The storytelling is engaging, the voiceovers sound great, and the visuals are so good that they keep viewers watching from start to finish. Everything about this channel feels professional and highly addictive to watch. At first, I thought creating videos like these would require expensive software, advanced skills, and a big production team. But thanks to AI, that's no longer the case. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these types of videos are created and how you can make similar content step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know many people struggle with prompts. Most beginners don't know what to write or how to write it properly. But don't worry, I've already done the hard work for you. I've created a powerful, ready-to-use prompt. All you need to do is copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. And before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more content like this for you. Now here's the exciting part. Once you paste the prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate a complete result for you. You'll get a structured story, engaging scenes, image prompts, video prompts, and everything you need to create high-quality content. This is the exact type of content that's getting millions of views right now. But remember, if your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get great images, strong videos, or engaging content. That's why the prompt is so important. It's the foundation of your entire video. So stop guessing, use a proven prompt, follow the process, and start creating your own viral videos today. Now go ahead, copy the prompt from the description, try it yourself, and let's move to the next step. Now let's move to one of my favorite AI platforms, A2E AI. The reason I like this website so much is because it gives you almost everything you need in one place. Instead of opening multiple websites and switching between different tools, you can do most of your work right here. For image generation, it offers powerful models like Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Seedream, and many more. Whether you want cartoon images, cinematic scenes, realistic characters, or viral style content, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. But that's not all. When it comes to video generation, this platform is packed with top-tier models such as Seedance, Kling 3.0, Wan 2.5, Wan 3.0, and many others. First, let's start with the text-to-image section. For this tutorial, I'm using the Nano Banana model, which is one of the most viral AI image models right now. The process is very simple. I just copy the image prompts generated by ChatGPT, paste them into the prompt box, select the Nano Banana 2 model, choose 4K quality, set the aspect ratio, and click Generate. I'm not going to waste your time showing every generation. Each image takes around a couple of minutes, so I simply copied all the prompts and generated them one by one. There are no complicated settings, no waiting between prompts, and the workflow is extremely easy. Now let's look at the results. Honestly, what can I say? The quality is absolutely incredible. No, actually, incredible isn't the right word. It's unbelievable. Just look at these images. The character designs, the backgrounds, the lighting, the colors, and the overall quality are simply amazing. Every image follows the prompt perfectly and looks like a scene from a professional animated movie. When I saw the results for the first time, I literally said, "Oh my God." The details are stunning. The characters look consistent across every scene, the emotions are captured beautifully, and the cinematic feel is just next level. I've used many AI image generators before, but this type of quality from Nano Banana is something I rarely see. Every image looks polished, professional, and ready to be turned into a viral video. I also tested the Seedream 5.0 model, which is another very popular and viral image model right now. And honestly, the results from Seedream were also extremely impressive. The image quality was excellent, and the model performed really well. However, after comparing both results, I personally preferred the images generated by Nano Banana. In my opinion, the character consistency, cinematic look, and overall visual appeal were slightly better for this type of animated content. Just take a look at every image on the screen. Every scene looks beautiful. Every result matches the prompt perfectly. The backgrounds are rich, the colors are vibrant, and the overall quality is simply outstanding. For me, Nano Banana is definitely one of the best AI image models available right now. Now let's move to the video generation section. This is where the real magic happens. I switched to the image to video section and started with the Seedance model, which is one of the most popular and viral AI video models right now. The process is very simple. I upload my image, copy the video prompt along with the audio prompt generated by ChatGPT, select my preferred quality and duration settings, and click Generate. Now it does take a little time to process, but don't worry. If you want high quality results, it's definitely worth the wait. And when I saw the final video, oh my God, this was an absolute boom.
Hello, little bird. Today is a big day.
Seriously, my first reaction was, where has this model been all this time? The character movements, camera motion, facial expressions, and overall animation quality were simply amazing. The video felt smooth, cinematic, and professional. But I didn't stop there. Next, I uploaded the second image, pasted the video and audio prompts, and this time selected the Wan 27 model. And once again, boom. The results were incredible. The animation quality was excellent, the scene transitions looked smooth, and the overall video felt very natural. Everything was clear, detailed, and visually appealing. The background movement, character actions, and cinematic feel were all top-notch. At this point, I was honestly getting excited because every model was producing impressive results. So I decided to test one more model. This time, I uploaded another image, pasted the prompts, and selected the Kling 3.0 model. And wow, the result was absolutely unbelievable. The motion quality, camera movements, scene consistency, and overall realism were fantastic. Every model had its own strengths, and each one delivered amazing results in different ways. What's really impressive is that all three models produced videos that looked professional and engaging. These are the kinds of videos that can easily capture attention on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. But wait. Don't go anywhere yet, because there's one more amazing feature I want to show you. And honestly, this might be one of the coolest tools on the entire platform. I'm talking about the head swap feature. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is head swap? Let me show you. All you have to do is upload two images. One image contains the character whose head you want to use, and the other image contains the character you want to replace. In my example, I uploaded two character images. I wanted to swap the red-haired girl's head onto the boy character. I clicked Generate and waited a few moments. And when I saw the result, wow. The output was absolutely incredible. The swap looked clean, natural, and surprisingly accurate. The AI did an amazing job matching the face, angle, lighting, and overall appearance. It didn't look weird or unnatural at all. Honestly, I was genuinely impressed by how well it worked. And that's not even the end of it. The platform also includes powerful face swap tools, which are just as impressive. The results are smooth, realistic, and extremely easy to create. But wait, there's even more. You also get access to lip sync tools that can make characters speak realistically, AI voice models for generating high-quality narration, audio generation tools, and many other powerful AI features. The best part is that everything is available in one place. You don't need to search for different websites, create multiple accounts, or switch between dozens of tools. You might discover features that completely transform the way you create content.